Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. And today I am going to cover lab number 5 from server side vulnerabilities module, and the module name is information disclosure vulnerabilities. Today is lab number 5, so without wasting time, this disclaimer is for you. This video and its contents are only for educational purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That's been said, let's jump to the lab. So the lab is information disclosure in version control history. Fine. Okay. So this lab discloses sensitive information via its version control history. To solve the lab, opt in the password for the administrator user, then log in and delete Carlos account. Every case is different. Okay. These are the labs in real world scenario. Here you actually know where that vulnerability exists, in which part that vulnerability exists, but in real life scenario you will not know in which part of the application you will get the vulnerability. So you need to test. More enumeration and you will, the chances or the probability will be more to get success or to find out the vulnerability. That's been said. Let's see. Before solving the lab, we need to understand what is version control history. These days, we know that every mobile application and web application gets update every day, upgrade every day, and the version gets change of an web application or a mobile application very frequently, right? So whenever an application gets update and its version gets changed, new features are included. So there are many chances that you may get the information disclosure vulnerability while you compare the new version with the previous version. And the very common example of this is GitHub repositories or Git repositories, right? Because whenever any changes committed by the author in GitHub repository, you can actually find out the commit change if you can download the repository or Git directory, right? So that's been said. Let's go, and first of all we need to test out uh, which directory is there. So I'm going to just copy this and come back, paste it here, hit enter, and we will wait for a minute. And yeah, so as you can see, this web application contains a Git directory, and inside Git directory there are many files and folders, right? So what we need to do is, the first finding for us is this. So I'm going to copy and then come back here. I'm going to create an analysis section, and inside analysis section I'm going to paste this because this is our first finding. Let's delete this part. Fine. Now the next thing is we need to copy or we need to download this directory. So to download this directory I am going to use wget tool. There are bunch of tools with which you can download, and -r means I want to download this directory recursively, means any sub directory or files inside this directory, it will download everything. So wget -r, then copy this up to the git, and then just copy this, come here, clear, and I'm going to paste that command and hit enter. So now it's going to download every subdirectory and files inside .git directory, right? So I'm going to wait a minute, and yeah, it's completed. So I'm going to clear ls -la, and this is the directory name, right? So if I go cd ac161, hit enter, let's see what's inside this directory, ls space -la, and as you can see there is git directory. So cd dot git clear ls space -la to see the listing of the directories, and as you can see many directories are there like refs, objects, logs, info, hook, branches, head. So we can visit these directories and these files. Inside these directories also there are files, so we can manually go in each of these, and there is a smart way to actually find out, because the lab is saying there is a information disclosure in version control history. So we can first of all check the logs of the commits. So the command is git log or logs, I don't know, log, yeah. So as you can see there are 2 commits. So now what else we can do here is, let's just small this one. So the command is git diff and copy this section and paste it here, hit enter. Fatal, this operation must be run in a work tree. Okay, paste selection, hit enter. Why that's not working? Let me see. Git logs, log is not the correct command. So one more thing we can do, just go one directory back and git log, yeah, logs scheme, just copy this and git diff paste, hit enter, and yeah, that's the way. Because I was in the git directory, that's why it was not showing the difference. Now in this commit, particular commit, this is the difference. So the difference is in admin.config file, and admin password environment is admin_password, php echo to do built an amazing admin panel, but remember to check the password. This could be the password. Okay, before entering this password, let's try this also to check the git diff and paste that, E18A, yeah, this one, hit enter, and again here admin password is equal to this, so this is the password. Fine, so just copy this, come here and home, my account. So the username could be administrator or admin, we will check in a minute, and paste the password. Paste the password, yeah, this is the password. Before password, what we find is git log, and inside git log we found 2 commits. The first one is this and the second one is this. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Fine. Okay, now come back here, password I already paste here, don't save, and yeah, we are logging with the administrator user, and admin panel is already there. Go to the administrator panel and delete the Carlos account to complete the lab, to solve the lab, and we solve the lab. That's it. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share, and if you have any query, please leave your comment and query in the comment section, and I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much. See you in the next module. Bye.